Hello friends, this is Anna from Hertzim. Today I will show you how to install and configure the Clockhound app inside your Monday.com instance. Welcome! Let us start with the Monday.com workspace with some boards and groups. We have boards with different structures and we will show you how to use Clockhound with all of them. The first step is searching the Clockhound at Monday.com Apps Marketplace. You can click on the left menu on the Project Management category or search for Clockhound in the search bar. After clicking on the app listed, we will see the description features and permissions needed for the Clockhound installation. We can install the app by selecting Add to your account. You will be asked to accept the permissions needed by the app, such as reading users and board information. You should remember that no data in the Clockhound app is leaving the Monday.com environment. It is wholly executed inside the Monday.com cloud. After reading and selecting the workspace option for the app, we choose Install, and voila! The Clockhound app is ready to be used in this instance. Now, to start using the app, after installation, Monday.com will ask you to choose a feature to start using your app. We now select the first needed feature for the app to work, the workspace template. We select and click on the Next button. We select the workspace where we want the app installed and then click the Add Feature button. We now have the app installed and configured. With this, we can now add Clockhound items on board views across all parts of our workspace.